Today I'm going to show you 4 different Ford Sync fixes that might just solve your Ford Sync problems. These 4 methods work for lots of different Ford cars and trucks. I'll save the best one for last because method number 4 usually works when the other 3 don't. Method number 1 might seem silly, but check your phone for an update. A bad piece of code might be causing your problems. Method number 2 is called a master reset. Let me show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do is turn on the ignition and make sure the radio is powered on. We've got some power. Now we're going to hit menu. We're going to scroll down to sync settings. There's our sync settings. We're going to scroll down here to master reset and we're going to press OK. Perform sync master reset. Yes. And that is method number 2. The master reset method has worked for many people in the comments section from my first Ford Sync video from 2 years ago. Let me know if it worked for you. If it didn't, let's move on to method number 3. This is a Ford Sync fix used by service technicians at the Ford dealership. All right, now this method only works if your radio has an on-off button. On my 2015 F-150, it's the volume knob. We're gonna press and hold that with the right arrow and we're gonna hold them, and the radio is going to do some funky stuff there. After about 10 seconds or so, sync reset transmitted. Now this usually works. I usually hold this for 15-20 seconds or so and then release. Now that method number 3, usually works most of the time. Leave a comment and let me know if it worked for you. If it didn't, method number 4 is what I call an old school master reboot. Now this should reset that Bluetooth connection for your Ford Sync. Let's get into that one. To start the master reboot, I've got my key out of the ignition and I'm going to pull the fuse for my radio. My fuse is located on the passenger side floor against the right side. Now, to find the fuse position for your vehicle, check your owner's manual or you could Google it. Now on my 2015 Ford F-150, my fuse position is number 32 for the radio. Let me show you what it actually says. Fuse position number 32, it says sync 1, sync 2, and radio receiver. I'm going to use my phone to get down in there so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about. All right, there you can see number 32 is that 10 amp fuse right there. Now, it's possible that fuse might be blown, but then your radio probably doesn't work. So let's get that out of there. There we go. It's the 4th one down. There we go. Now we're going to put the key in the ignition and verify that the radio is off. Let's get this key in there. Turn it to the on position. We've got no radio. Okay, good. I like to wait 5 to 10 minutes. That's usually enough time to do this old school Ford Sync reboot. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to put the fuse back in and we're going to see what we got. Fuse back in. Let's turn the power on. We've got radio. I'm going to make sure the Bluetooth is on my phone. There's the Bluetooth. Phone. No phones. Please add a phone. Add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
All right. There's sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Yes. Waiting for phone confirmation. Pair. Allow. Allow. Pairing successful.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay. Phone is connected. All right, now let's confirm that the sync is working. We've got the sync all set up here. I have a dad joke all queued up on my phone. Let's see if this works. My dog just ate a $100 bill. She's got expensive taste. Let me know down in the comments if any of these Ford Sync fixes corrected your Bluetooth issues. If you like DIY and fixing stuff, hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos.